Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I want to show you the 51 meme, So I wanted to give my take on that and also give you a little bit of fashion in there, a little bit of humor, why not? Let's laugh. So yeah guys, if you like this video, because I know you're gonna like it, give it a thumbs up and also comment what you think. I'm going to upload a lot more videos, so make sure to subscribe and also click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So yeah guys, before I melt down right now, it's hot right now, let's get into this video.
So hey, here we go again. Now I'm going to hydrate my face with a sheet face. This one is really good. And then I'm going to prime a little bit. It's really important to prime when we're going to use a lot of makeup. This step is very important because we're going to cover our brows. So I'm using some alcohol and cleaning my eyebrows, maybe some dirt or oil in there. It's going to make it easier. Now we're going to take our glue and we're going to apply it on our eyebrows. Yeah, we need a lot. Then you have to clean around the edges. You don't need those glue edges around. You need a clean eyebrow coverage. Do it really good. You can use any tool you want. I'm using this spoolie and I'm using this other one. This is a brush kind of thing. And I'm pressing, really pressing on my skin. And we are going to do this on both sides. And while this is drying, I'm going to start applying my highlights. And then I'm going to blend. A lot of blending. I thought I could, mix my purple paint and this white, but it didn't work, so never mind. But yeah, now I'm applying a purple foundation color, and this is going to be my alien skin. I'm taking it all over my neck area and my cheeks. You have to blend very well. And now I'm taking another sponge and I'm blending those highlights and the foundation area, so it's more of a ombre effect, And I'm avoiding the really deep part of my eye because I want that really wide highlight. It's going to be intense. I mean, we are alien. I'm an alien right now, so I'm applying the fourth layer of glue. This is going to be my final, and now I'm going to use some press powder and press. You have to really do it against your skin, so they're sitting flat. Your hair are sitting flat on your skin. That's really key. You can do as many layers as you want, but I found 4 to 5 layers can work with my hairs. I mean, I have really thick brows. I'm using a brush to clean around the edges. And again, I'm going to take a napkin, a wet napkin, and I'm going to clean around the edges. And now I'm taking this NYX corrector palette and applying over the eyebrow we just covered, so it's going to be a little bit easier to cover with the foundation. I'm applying it and blending it at the same time with a small brush. When you are over blending, you can apply now your highlight area on your forehead and nose, and also a little bit of foundation on your forehead as well. You know, I'm sticking to this purple alien girl. She's leaving, she got such a forehead. And now I'm using translucent powder on my cheeks, you know, the highlight areas. And we have to powder the hell out of our faces, girl. Yeah, that's a lot of powder. And more powder. Girl. When you're over with your powder, you have to take a big fluffy brush and start taking that over. And lightly start taking that translucent powder over your face. With an angled brush, I'm going to mark where my contour is going to be, and with a small brush, I'm going to do such a severe contour right now. I mean, we're going to do an alien look, so we need cheekbones. And now I'm blending, and this is kind of the shape we want. And we take our black shadow, and we're going to dip our crease area. Our new crease area, because this is our new eye, our new alien eye, and you have to blend a lot. And now we're going to create a new crease. For this, we need to make like a crease shape, as you can see, kind of a half circle. And then you have to fill it with white concealer. For the nose contour, I'm taking a small angular brush, you know, with a dark purple shadow. I'm blending. Look at the nose. I don't want to breathe, girl. And with some NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Sydney, we are going to apply it on the crease area, our new crease area. And yeah, we are going to blend it. And then we're going to go severe with our noses, because we're going to do our highlight. Yeah, I'm going to highlight the bridge on my nose a little bit. But the highlight area down the shadows where my contour is, I apply a little bit of this purple corrector by NYX. Now I'm taking a little bit of hot pink and applied it as a blush, you know, to give it a little bit of color to our cheeks. And now taking Transylvania by NYX liquid lipstick and applied it a little bit on the inner corner of my mouth to create that ombre effect. And also taking a brush and blending that a little bit. And with the shade Havana, which was the perfect color for my skin, actually, I'm going to apply it on the outer corner, on the whole lip area, and I'm going to blend that a little bit. Yeah, I'm living good. Now I'm taking a little bit of hot pink pigment, this one light up a little bit. I'm going to apply it on the highest point of our crease, you know, more color. This Sabine is a fashionista girl. And we're almost over, girl. A little bit of highlighter, of course, why not?
You might see something.
We had to shine harder than a star, girl.
You might see something on my eye. This is where my eyes are going to be. So I'm gonna show you in a minute.
Now I'm using a little bit of a knit settle spray, you know, my favorite.
Now I think I'm going to add a little something. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm going to use these pigments, this neon pigment, and I'm gonna pour a little bit on my face so it can shine a little bit. I don't know. I want it to look like there are freckles, like starlight freckles, you know? Well, now that I'm finished, I'm going to get some clothes and see you in a minute. Well, this is the final look. This is me trying to get into the Area 51, like, hey, girl. No. Anyway, I love it. I'm feeling it, girl. And I just wiggle around with some accessories and things. I don't know. I like it. I really, really like it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching and hope you like it. And subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to start uploading a lot more videos like this. A lot more crazy makeup tutorials. Because yes, my channel is going to be now makeup tutorials. Girl. So yeah, guys, hope you like it and see you in the next video. Bye. Oh girl. Oh girl. I feel like I'm giving you alien presidential realness. Girl.